Does it look smoky in here? Like, is the house on fire or something? Just to turn on the camera, there's like smoke. I don't know what's going on. See, I'm telling you, fucking something about the camera fucking going up, like, you're fucking on fire, dude. Fucking. Dude, what the fuck is going? Is it coming from up there, fucking behind me, like over there now, here now, huh? If you're there and I'm here, then you're here, there, they're here, they're here, aliens. What the fuck, dude? I think my fucking apartment's on fire, dude. What the fuck's going on? I'm Pokemon Ossifer. No, it was incense. And it was only for hipsters. Patchouli. It was incense. It was patchouli incense for hipsters. And a hippie's not a wook, and a wook's not a hippie. Now, and some hippies do wook stuff out, but like I run out so excited for a festival, I forget stuff. I woke it out. Coffee, you know? I'm old. I need coffee. John A. Mold? Right on. Right on. Right on. I read it. I'm read it. Carrot Top standing behind me? Is he texting somebody? Who is he texting? So, fucking sell your lawnmower. Let that grass grow. Join a radio show. Power filled with just a hoe. Tedious. Actually, we did like donuts with our Chevy Silverado, like to start it off. Like seriously, we did that shit back in the day. Rednecks, hillbillies, cowboys. You know, dressed like a cowboy hippie, like a fucking cow tipping, dude. My older brothers, dude, like they kept shooting this cow with like bow and arrows, like. And I was just a kid, dude, and I was like, oh, no, don't do it again, like, oh, no, like, dude, like, and, like, we rode back by the next day, and the arrows were still sticking out of it, dude, I was all like, oh, man, like, so, that's how I totaled my car, because I don't want to hurt animals. We used to eat them all the time, but, a small dog jumped out from me, I just, like, totaled my car, did not hurt it. Well, I love you guys. I need some views, guys, like, I'll do some comedy skits, but, what's a comedy skit? What's comedy? And is there any more smoke going on? Because I don't know what was up with that, or what was down, or all around. Uppers, downs, all arounders.